up, YouTubers? I'm actually on my way to the gym, but I've been trying to squeeze in this video. I just purchased some Airpods, and I guess I'll do an semi-unboxing since I've already opened them, and give you guys my thoughts and opinions, and is it really worth the price? So I purchased these at the Apple store just to see if I would like the thought of having these type of headphones. I bought the generic kind. They're like $35, and there's a whole lot of differences with the generic kind and the ones from the Apple store. Please excuse my voice. I'm still trying to get over a cold from driving to Michigan. So let's get started. So it comes in this box here, serial numbers, all of that good stuff. Open the box. Of course, it has your instruction manual. I'm getting ready to go to the gym and use these, so that's why this is out. It's really, really small and really, really hard to misplace if you don't keep up with it. But this is how it comes. The headphones are usually already in there. You open it up. This means that, I do believe that this means that it's fully charged. And then once you put the headphones inside, they'll begin to charge themselves. Do they fall out? I've never had these fall out as of yet. My son has knocked them out, pulled them out, but just by me walking, or even yesterday, my first time using them at the gym, they did not fall out. Now, does everyone have different size ears? Sure. So, for me personally, I think I have small ears, and they did not fall out. Still have my receipt for some reason. And then on the bottom, this is where the charger is. It's actually a regular iPhone charger, so you can use any type of charger. Plug it into the wall, charge it here. One feature that I do like with the AirPods that you are not going to get, logging into my phone, that you are not going to get with the generic brands are here. So it lets you know, I guess, usually when it opens, like a notification will pop up and it'll say what the percentage is for the AirPods and what it is for the case. But I gotta remember how to figure that out. But yeah, you can see it's, I don't know what's going on, but the case is at 79. And then if you need to know what percentage your AirPods are at, it always tells you once you buy them and link them. So that's one feature that I do like a lot. They're not, in my opinion, as far as listening to them in the gym, I really like using Beats more. I really only prefer these like at work, since I have a desk job. When I'm on my little 15-minute break, I pop these in and I go on about my day. But with the gym, me personally, I like the fact that the Beats drowned out a lot of the surrounding noises. With these, you're just gonna get the whatever noise you can hear, and then your music. The price, they are $159. You can get them on Amazon. I do believe if they're Prime, you're a Prime member. And I do apologize for my voice, you guys. I don't know what's going on. This just started happening yesterday. If you're a Prime member, you can receive them in 2 days. It is the exact same price if you go to the Apple store. But, I mean, that's all I use is Apple. You can see over there I have my MacBook. Apple. That's all I like is Apple. But, I mean, they're good. If you are a very irresponsible person, I would say not to get these because, they're easy to lose, and I'm not sure if Apple replaces due to loss. I don't know. But with how I work, if I pay for something expensive, that reminds me that I need to keep up with the shit. Oh, battery life. I kind of don't get a chance to use them that much because I'm either always at work or I could be just chilling around the house on the phone. But battery life, they pretty much do last all day. I try to not let them go under 30%, just so if, you know, I do have a long phone conversation, they'll already be charged and ready to go. It's kind of more important to keep this charged because it's easy to just pop those in here. But another thing that I like is if you do have to charge both, you can plug this in, put these in here, and you can actually charge both at the same time. But that's really much it. Headphones are headphones. Nothing too spectacular. You're really just paying for the brand. Probably only cost maybe what, $15, $30 to make these. But I do approve. I'm not going to suggest you guys get them, but they are very useful. And yeah, I like them. So I mean, that's it as of now. If I think of anything else, I'll leave it in the description. If you guys have any questions, you can go ahead and shoot me one down there as well. Getting ready to go to the gym. It was just a quick review on the Apple Airpods.
All I really wanna see is the. I don't really need a D, I need the. All a bad bitch need is the. I got